Inside. Side. Off. Clap your hands. Together, everyone. Louder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Louder. Inside, off, down, stand it, attention, stand it, attention. Now everyone get in front of the center. Ready? Start. Hands cover up. Good boy. Inside. Stretch your hand inside, parallel to the ground. Everyone. Good boy. Blue house. Yes. And so, more stretch your hand. Up. Here are girls. Girls are very passive. Hands up. Side. Down. Stand it in. Attention. Stand it in. Attention. Now everyone get it for school song. Hold your hands front. Sing together. Louder. Melody share joy. Everyone. Ready? Start. Your inside properly, everyone. Inside. Off. Side. Down. Stand it is. Look forcefully. Together at once. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Okay, now it's time for deliver the speech. So I like to call the speakers.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to our honorable Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers and sisters. As you all know, me Kritika Adhikari from grade 10 and I am here in front of you to read the newspaper article. So now before wasting much more time, I would like to start the reading of newspaper article. So my topic goes like this: the AI revolution has a power problem. In the race for AI dominance, American tech giants have the money and the chips, but their ambitions have hit a new obstacle: electric power. The biggest issue we are now having is not a computer glut, but it's the power and the ability to get the bills done fast enough close. To power, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella acknowledged on our recent podcast with OpenAI chef Sam Altman. So if you can do that, you may actually have a bunch of chips sitting in inventory that I can't plug in, Nadella added. In the 1990s, Dr. Frenzy to build the internet infrastructure. Today's tech giants are spending unprecedented sums to construct the silicon backbone of the revolution in artificial intelligence. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta Facebook are drawing on their massive cash reserves to spend roughly $400 billion in 2025 and even more in 2026, backed for our now by enthusiastic investors. All this cash has helped alleviate one initial bottleneck: acquiring the millions of chips needed for computing power race and tech giants and accelerating their in-house process. This will go into the racks that fill massive data centers, which also consume enormous amount of water for cooling. Thank you. Have a nice day. Namaskar and welcome to you all, respected vice principals, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Krishna Karachi from grade 7, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of tourism in Nepal. Before starting my topic, I'd like to thank the organizer who organized this type of program results to increase the confidence level of the students. Now my topic was like this: tourism in Nepal. Nepal is a beautiful country with majestic mountains, green hills, rivers, lakes, and rich in culture. It is famous for the Himalayas, including Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. It is important for our country's economy. It creates jobs and supports local business. Visitors also get to experience our cultural festivals, and the friendly nature of Nepali people. It is not only the source of pride but also the key to our country's progress. Thank you.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to all respected principals, vice principals, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, this news we are fluent from grade 5, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of my country. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the ECA community to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this: my country. My country name is Nepal. It is between India and China. It has many mountains, rivers, lakes, and forests. The highest mountain is Sagarmatha. Mike. It is naturally content. Thank you.
Thank you all these speakers. Hands cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Hands cover up. Side. Up. Side. Down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. So to provide some information, I like to welcome our respective licensed professor to their hands together. Welcome.
Thank you very much, Coordinator sir. Cover up. You seem quite passive. Why? At the beginning of the day, you are passive. What do you do at the end? Be active and energetic. Inside. Hands up. Clap. Produce sound and hear yourself. I think you are listening other sound. Why? Inside. Hands down. Stand it. Swastika, be active. Attention. Everybody check your uniform. What uniform you are wearing? Zippers are open. And we are tired of reminding you. Fix the zipper, why? Stand it. So, you are little bit passive. When the assembly bell rings, even after that also you are found playing the games. When the bell rings after the tiffin time, you are found busy in playing games. It means you are not sincere. So from today, after the tiffin, when the bell rings, you have to make line. Then when the teacher comes, then you have to go together with your teacher inside the class. You have to wait your teacher to go to the class after tiffin. I'm reminding you. During tiffin time, you have to have a tiffin. I have noticed they bring little bit food, they finish within very short time and they just run here and there. Tiffin time is for your tiffin. Stay in sunny place, get some sun bath, relax, and when the bell rings, class captain, vice captain, make line, and with your teacher you can go to class. Don't go to class immediately. Teachers, they come quite late and you are found making too much noise. So, be a bit systematic. Haphazardly running here and there and there. After school off also, when the bell rings, all the class students must come here. Some students are very active, some they come very late. That's why the function becomes a bit slow. And follow the school routine as well as home routine. If it is your duty to give the speech, please prepare well. The students who come here for speech, they are quite slow. That means they are not willing to give the speech. And for disturbing the class, they are very smart. So many smart students are there to disturb the class, not to give the speech. That energy can be applied here. So from tomorrow we are giving speech. They must be more attentive and more informative. Bring some information. Just they fulfill the formality. Come here, mind addressing, few sentences and gone. You have to attract the people. And sound must be a bit loud so that they can hear. It seems as if they have not eaten anything. They are giving a speech in the form of talking. Learn and be smart one. Imposes discipline every time. We have reminded you to follow the rules and regulations of Anupam. Some they are following, that's good. But some, still they are not. Focus on English speaking. First you start, then inspire others. Your questions are ready. So these are the questions for your unit test. We are ready to take the exam. Are you ready to take part in it or not? So practice, practice and practice. Attention. Cover up. Look together everybody. Check the lines. Line captains, what are you checking this? Are your lines straight or not? Inside. Hands up. Clap. Inside. Hands down. Standards. Attention. Standards. Attention. Last time. Okay, Kadali House boys. Go forward. Rhododendron House girls. Rhododendron House girls. Move forward. Rhododendron, this girl. Why are they moving?